All right, do you love a good, easy meal, a good, easy casserole? And best of all, do you love Chick-fil-A? If so, keep watching. Today, we're going to be sharing with you how to make a Chick-fil-A casserole. I had never heard of this before, but I don't know if you guys follow Macy Blackwell on Instagram, but if you don't, you need to follow her. She has the coolest Instagram reels. That's where I got this inspiration from. So we're gonna be making this today. I really hope you enjoy it. Alex is in the shower. When he hops out, he's going to give us a taste test. A lot of you have been saying you missed the taste test, so stay tuned for that and let's get started. So for me, I just grabbed some waffle fries from Walmart. I also got these Southern style chicken bites. I've heard a lot of good things about them. And then I also got the Bob Evans macaroni and cheese. That is what she used. And then you're gonna need about 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And then we already had these on hand, the Polynesian sauce and the Chick-fil-A sauce. We just like to keep these around here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop the fries in the air fryer and get those cooking. All right, so now I'm gonna take this Southern style chicken bites. I'll probably just use about a half of this bag and air fry them. And then I'll probably cut them into pieces because they are pretty big. So now that the chicken is all done in the air fryer, I'm gonna start cutting it apart because the pieces are sort of big, but the chicken I'm using is totally uncooked, so you wanna make sure you cook it thoroughly. All right, so now we have the hard part out of the way. Once you've cooked your waffle fries and your chicken bites, you will be ready to put this casserole together and stick it in the oven. You wanna make sure you preheat your oven to 350 while all of this is cooking. I used an air fryer to cook both of mine so I could preheat my oven at the same time. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is take your fries and you are going to layer it on the bottom of a 9 by 13 dish. And because Bob Evans mac and cheese is pretty much the closest thing you can get to Chick-fil-A mac and cheese, we're gonna be using that to top off the waffle fries. Spread it out evenly. Next up, we're gonna take our chicken bites and make sure those are spread out evenly as well. And we have one more step before it goes into the oven. And that is to add our shredded cheddar cheese to the top of our casserole. And once we have our Chick-fil-A casserole put together, we are going to pop it in the oven on 350 for about 10 minutes until the cheese is nice and melty. All right, so when it comes out of the oven, this is what we are working with. It looks absolutely delicious, and Alex is going to give it a try for us. All right, so once it's done, you can take your favorite Chick-fil-A sauce, or you can use Polynesian if you want, or anything you have in your fridge. I'm gonna use Chick-fil-A sauce. Cover it up with that, and voila. All right, so let's give it a try and see if it's any good. I'm gonna get some mac and cheese, a French fry in here. It is so good, and I didn't even put any salt and pepper on it, and I'm like the salt queen. You can ask Alex, do you wanna try it? All right, let's see what Alex thinks about it. Got a little cheese on your stash. It's really good. I'm glad you like it.
Really good.
It's so yummy.
Just need some hot sauce.
Oh, of course. All right, so Ansley said she's gonna try it for you guys and let you know if it's any good. Chick-fil-A casserole.
This is good.
Really good?
Yeah, it tastes like what I get, the order I get at Chick-fil-A. I always get an 8-piece grilled nugget, and then I get Chick-fil-A sauce and fries and I put it in the little container and I mixed it up.
Yeah,
what it
that's
tastes
true. But it is so delicious. All right, I hope you enjoyed this Chick-fil-A casserole. It was so delicious.
If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye.
Bye.